Good evening and welcome to Break Check. If you're stopping in for the first time, my name is Mark. I'll start by asking you this. Has Tesla fired Elon Musk? Maybe, but keep watching the video to find out. In one of my previous videos, I had talked about Elon Musk ultimately being replaced. Tesla had a court order to find a replacement by November 13th. They somehow succeeded. Tesla recently named Robin Denholm, who has an insane amount of experience working in the auto industry as well as the tech industry. Musk says she has made significant contributions as a Tesla board member over the past 4 years. I look forward to working even more closely with Robin as we continue accelerating the advent of sustainable energy. This is amazing news. I wasn't sure how this court order was going to affect Tesla or even if they were going to make the deadline. I'm happy that they decided to promote from within. That says a lot about the company. That's all the motivation one would need when you get co-signed by Elon Musk. Speaking of Musk, I wonder what he's going to be doing. I'm sure he'll be working behind the scenes or exploring the dark web. But that's all speculation at this point. Ultimately, he can do whatever he wants. He's still the front man of Neuralink and SpaceX. I doubt he turns into a goblin. Or will he? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more awesome content. Good night.